In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead report in Salesforce with filters and groups. This tutorial will serve as a guide to help you efficiently track and manage your leads using Salesforce's robust reporting features. Let's begin by navigating to the Salesforce homepage, which will serve as our starting point. From there, you'll want to look for the Reports tab. This is where all your reports are managed and created. Click on Reports to access the reporting section. Once you're in the Reports area, locate and click on New Report. This will open a window that prompts you to select the type of report you want to create. In the search bar, type Leads to filter the available report types. After typing, you'll see an option for a Leads report. Click on it to proceed. Next, click on Continue to start building your report with this specific template. At this stage, the focus will shift to the Columns section. This section allows you to select which columns of data will be included in your report. Columns are crucial as they determine what information you'll be able to analyze. Ensure you have the right columns to match your reporting goals. Now, turn your attention to the Filters option. Filters are key to refining your data and ensuring that your report only includes the information you need. Clicking on Filters will present various options. One important area here is the Show Me filter. This option allows you to choose what subset of leads you want to display, such as all leads, only leads you own, or those created by your team. Next, you'll choose a specific filter to narrow down your data further. Pay particular attention to the Create Date filter. This can focus your report on leads generated in a certain time frame, which is invaluable for analyzing trends over specific periods. After selecting the desired date range, click Apply to activate your filter settings. You can also add additional filters to your report by clicking on Add Filter. More filters can help you segment leads more precisely based on various criteria. After setting your filters, navigate to the Outline section. In this area, you have the option to group your data by specific fields. Grouping rows can provide insightful summaries without overwhelming details. Once you're satisfied with the report setup, consider adding a chart for a visual representation of your data. First, click on Add Chart, which will give you a quick visual overview of your data trends. You can customize your chart's properties by clicking on Chart Properties, adjusting elements to reflect the most important data points. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Save and Run. This will save your report and generate it for viewing. You'll be prompted to input a report name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Make sure the name is unique to avoid confusion with other reports. Once you've named your report, hit Save, and your lead report in Salesforce is ready. Enjoy having a tailored analytical tool to help drive your business decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting in Salesforce.